Today I'm taking a look at this tire repair kit. Let me just show you what comes in it. This thing is something that's great for, like I would use this on my tractors around the yard here and stuff like that. You might be able to use it in a vehicle. This is really designed for very small leaks in a tire, like a tractor tire, a lawnmower tire, four-wheeler, three-wheeler, whatever, stuff like that, dirt bike tire. But this thing has everything you need. It's got your glue, your adhesives, all of your bonding stuff. It even has sandpaper so you can clean up the spot where the hole is and get it so it's nice and roughed up. It's going to stick very good. And then it's got the plugs themselves. And these little plugs are designed like little screws, and it comes with a screwdriver. What you're going to do is you're going to take this. There is a metal core to this. Once you get it all cleaned up and you get the adhesive put on, everything's all ready to go, then you would insert this in the hole and screw it in. And once it's all screwed in all the way, you're going to let that sit, and that is going to fix your small holes. It's not going to fix a great big hole, but this is really good for, like I said, tractors around the yard, stuff like that. Fantastic. Now, it wouldn't hurt to have this in your car, because if you have like a little nail go through your tire or something on the side of the road, you certainly could try this and probably fix that thing temporarily until you can get a proper patch from the inside. But a great emergency kit dealing with small leaks, small holes. This thing's got everything you need in here to get it set up. You even have the applicator, so you can really adhere that, apply that glue right where you need it with the applicator. So everything you need is here, and you will be good to go and make that repair and be back on the road or back out mowing your lawn or whatever it might be. Now, these guys were nice enough to send this kit out to me so I could show you what's in it. And I do have a tire I have to fix. I just got to get it out of the building, and we will do that. But if you're curious what comes in this kit, hopefully this short video helps you out. I want to thank them for sending this out to me. I really appreciate it. And now, if you click that order button, you know what you're going to get. Certainly going to get you out of bind for sure. Well, there you go. I hope the video helps you out.